There, viewers, the next day it's dropped a little bit. That batch is improving. It will drop down as the batch desulfates. I did some hydrometer tests. It's actually looking promising. It's coming up in the good range now. Yeah, no, this doesn't use shit all power anyway. What's that? 144 watts that pulls. That's a maximum it can pull. 0.6 amp. So 600 milliamps. If I short this thing out, short the output, the primary side will draw 600 milliamps. So let's see what this is primary side is drawing now using my digital clamp meter. This says 230 milliamps. This says 160 milliamps, 150, depending on how I'm holding it. Anyway, that might actually come a good batch of that one. Anyway, got another goodie from my neighbour here today. Got a little reed organ. It's curious to find if it was actually an electronic type. Whether it had a circuit board and speakers in it or not, until I pulled it apart and realised it's one of those bellows types. There's a bellows in there with some reeds. And this is a little blower fan. Blows all in there when I open the valves. Different stages here. Highest to lowest note along the bellows. That closes the air, closes it all together. It opens the airflow, increases it to make it louder. It's an Italian made thing. This is it reminds me of one of those Farfisa Royal Artists. This is just a cheaper, nastier version of one of those. Pretty much the same thing. All Italian made. T40 volt, 50 Hz, little shaded pole motor there. A genuine Bond Tempi motor. Interesting. Yeah, just cheap plastic. I put a modern power cord on it because the original one got a good Clipsal 435 series plug top on it. I use that cord. Got it somewhere here. I use that cord when I pop this blender motor. So got a good plug top out of it at least. Let's plug this in and give it a test. Yeah, it's interesting how the bellows system works. So just using air. There's never a cord on though. To actually use these in recording studios are very noisy. The fan will ruin the sound, so this principle never cord on. 7,100 and... yeah, here we go. 7,190. I just rolled over on the BAZ. There you are, it just rolled over. It's sticky. And those two don't seal properly. Smells dusty. Interesting how these work. Obviously, you do that, too much air is being lost and it doesn't work. They have their drawbacks, but gee, the principle works, doesn't it? There we are. Updating the Daihatsu motor. Decided to rack the old tractor, tractor go to the new air conditioning compressor. This is the old one. Got it like that. Direct drive job. Goes here there, goes here there to a scroll compressor. Got some pretty good pressure out of this, but it's got a little restrictor in it. Won't go past 200 psi. But when I put oil through it, it's designed so I can pump oil at the same time as compress the air. The valve system won't allow it to slug and hydro-lock, so to speak. So I might decide to make use of that oil pump circulation setup and circulate the oil through a scroll compressor. The scroll compressor uses the same principle as well. A weight slug, it just pushes the oil through and pumps it as well as compress the air. It's designed so it doesn't slug. So like all this bypass system in there. Anyway, let's get it going. I haven't got much oil on it though. I've got lots of air locks so that the scroll won't go as efficiently as it should. Give it a start. Do a one hand job here, no tripod. Higher gear. Too much air locks. Not too much air locks. I can find some other plate that's similar to that one, bolt it on the other compressor on the Honda motor, and make it set like this, and make it so I can direct drive the other compressor like this one. Because this would be a good motor to finish off the other compressor I tried to blow up on the Honda motor. The pulley, I've got to find another pulley that has the same size centerpiece, so I can just smash it over the shaft of that compressor. I'm not going to ruin the pulley that's on that one. I want to keep that one. I find another one with the same hole size in the centre, smack it on and make dual holes in it or something like this, and do it like as I did with this one. Because this is a different shaft size. I haven't got any plates to fit there. I can't find the original clutch plate off that other compressor. If I had still had that, I probably would have been able to did what I did with this one. Just cut that centerpiece out, which is this centerpiece here. I just drilled out those rivets and taken that centre plate out and made it like that. But where that one there went off the other compressor, I don't know. I can't find it. I can't find it anywhere. It must have got thrown out. So that would have been perfect. Bolt these 3 bolts to any existing holes, and bolt the other plate on the other compressor. I put the other compressor on here. I just have to change them out, so I have to have holes here. Bolt it through that way. And I can. Instead of using 5 horsepower from a belt drive, have a geared down 23 horsepower behind it. Then run it dry, see how well this will destroy a buggered up compressor. This might finish that compressor off quite well. Anyway, I can't find another plate for it, they say. That's not going to work. Anyway, thanks for watching.